Hey guys, this is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. We're going to be unboxing today the PRO-180RPC in-ceiling speaker by Klipsch. You got their manual, quick start guide, cutout template, and then you have a paint shield. Paint shield is great if you're going to be painting the ceiling and you don't want to, mess up the speaker. And then you have a couple different grill options. This is really nice that Klipsch does this on this particular series. We actually had a situation the other day where the wood in the ceiling was overcut slightly on the back box that was put in during the pre-wire, and this covered it up. So you can use the square or the circular depending on the style or the application. And then you have the speaker itself here. And this is a 8-inch woofer, Cerametallic. You have your treble and your bass adjustments. Actually, this one just has treble. Then you can do the quick connects. This is the back of the speaker. The ring is actually completely removable. This has the new 2018 large magnet, like a bookshelf speaker versus the end wall. They really beefed these guys up this year. And then you have the quick button press terminals, gold plated, really nice quality. Great speaker for the money. We are a Klipsch direct dealer. If you guys would like to purchase this product, give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you for watching. This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater.